Hello and welcome to CAD World channel. In this tutorial of Creo Parametric 10, we will create a bolted connection between these two parts. The first one, as you can see here, it's a bracket which is having a sketch in which we have located 4 points at which we want to create the bolted connection. And the second part is a simple block in which we want to create the threaded holes in order to place uh, bolts inside them. Okay, so how we are going to assemble bolts in this assembly efficiently and smartly? We don't need to create the holes in this part separately and the base part separately. Instead, we will create the holes and we will create the holes in this front part and the back part simultaneously, and we will assemble the bolts as well. Okay, so how to do this? We will go to the tools tab and this intelligent fastener. So we will go to assemble on reference and we will select this any of the 4 points. Okay, so this is the position reference. Now we will select the screw head location, and the system is asking for nut or thread location. So the thread location will be that of the surface of the base plate. Okay, so the information is complete. We will click on OK, and so you can see here that this system is telling about how which will be the what will be the which would be the size of the fastener you are going to assemble. Okay, so you can select the suitable fastener from this drop down menu, and so you can select the length of the fastener, or you can select the type of the fastener from whether you are going to assemble a socket head screw or whether you are going to assemble different, so you can assemble different sort of screws from this menu. Okay, so say we want to assemble a socket head screw of M10 size and of length 45. Okay, and so you can select its fit from this drop down menu, and so you can see here that these dimensions are mentioned here. Okay, so you will click OK here, and the system will ask for the additional options assemble fastener on all instances. So we want to assemble the fastener on all instances. So you can see here that these fasteners have been assembled here. Okay, so if you want to redefine some of the information, so you can select this redefine and select the one of the 4 bolts. Okay, so I want to add a washer. Okay, so side one washer I selected and it's been previewed here. So I will click OK, and so the washer has been updated on all the instances of the bolt. Okay, So you can see here that we have assembled 4 bolts on the prescribed locations of the datum points. So you can open the part and you can see here these holes features are also created of M10 by 1.5, and this is the clearance hole. Okay, similarly you can open the base part, and so you can guess that in this base part the hole must be of the threaded, this must be the tab hole, that is threaded hole. Okay, so you can see the depth here as we have created the holes with the assembled bolt inside the assembly without having the two, without having creating the holes in the first part and the second part separately and then assembling the bolt. Okay, so in this way you can assemble and create the holes in the both the parts and assemble the bolts simultaneously in your assembly. Hope you will like this video. Thanks for watching.